So high heels, they're exactly what I use in my daily life. I like to be 5 feet off the ground if at all possible, but these are just 5 inches. It turns out, though, that can actually be something negative for your health and for your feet. And I'm here at Raleigh Orthopaedic Clinic with Dr. David Boone, and he's going to tell us a little bit more about how this can actually affect me in the long term. So are you saying I'm going to have big problems from these big heels?
Well, there are a lot of issues with this shoe, and they start from the toes, and some feel to go all the way up to the knee and maybe beyond. The pressure that's put on the foot when the heel is raised up in the air can cause pain on the bottom of the foot. And with the narrowness of the toe box, which is that part of the shoe, you can develop bunions.
Oh no.
You can develop hammer toes, and even pinched nerve that's called a Morton's neuroma.
It's not looking good for me.
As you move up the foot and you raise the heel height, you shorten the Achilles tendon, which attaches the leg muscle to the knee, and that can cause problems when you try then to straighten out the foot. In my left hand are the toes, and that shows the pressure being put on the ball of the foot.
Okay.
And then with the narrow toe box, the toes are forced in, which can cause pain related to a bunion. Now, the bunion probably has a genetic component, so you were probably born with that predisposition.
Oh gosh,
But okay. Certainly, the pain can be made worse over the bunion if you wear shoes that are too narrow.
Okay, so there's a lot that can go on with your foot, and hopefully people can start to listen and pay attention, but are these a better choice?
All right. What's the advantage over a wedge? Well, certainly you have a better platform to stand on than, say, if you have this stiletto type heel.
Right.
And so this would help you with balance.
Okay.
But it's not going to change the pressure on the forefoot area.
Oh.
So you still are putting pressure here that can develop pain, the pinched nerve I talked about, and even make your bunion pain worse.
Should I give it up, Doc?
No, no.
Don't give it up?
I tell people life is short.
Okay.
You have your social obligations.
Right.
And wearing a high heel when you'd like to for an hour or two is not a problem.
It's okay.
But most of the time during the day, you ought to try to stay out of a shoe like this.
All right, will do. Thanks so much. And if you want to check them out, not to worry, you can go to their website, RaleighOrtho.com. Life is short. So